to another Block Party Trading Daily Analysis, and today we are now taking the plunge into the meme pool of meme coins, and we are starting with LADYS USDT, or Milady Meme Coin. So LADYS is appropriating the tokenization model to facilitate the accumulation of meme capital in the era of unstoppable meme coins. In other words, it's just another meme coin. However, there is no denying, since both Doge and also Shiba Inu have completely turned the world on its head with its opinion and views on meme coins. Love it or hate it, they are here to stay. LADYS is very much of the newer generation era, piggybacking off Pepe and also Floki. We have seen absolutely insane gains from it. Within 24 hours, it's dropped 17.5%, not great. Within 30 days, it's dropped 86.76%, but that is a drop in an ocean. Since the last 7 days, it has pumped 7,200%. It has amassed a market cap of $66 million at current standings, so it could potentially be on its way to the $1 billion boys club, although it's still got some way to go. But then they all said that about Shiba Inu. However, with all meme coins, you have to be so conscious of what the consumer is doing and who is buying into it. So whilst we can do all the technical analysis in the world, it can be made redundant in a split second if Elon Musk should tweet about it. However, right now, let's see what's going on. We're taking the analysis since the 11th of May on the 1 hour time frame using LADYS USDT spot on Bybit. Now, it seems like a very short chart because it is. However, I want to start taking the analysis from when they have been listed on the big boy exchanges, which happened on the 11th of May. So we see naturally a whole bunch of volatility, and this went into an immediate dump and then a gradual incline when people start getting into it. So we can see that we rose nicely. We went all the way as far down as 436. I'm not going to say all of those zeros. And then we kind of graduated into an expanding or broadening wedge where we saw a very, very distinct double top, and also where we started to see and confirm some key resistance, which is sitting at 1609. So this is certainly a target, both 1609, beg your pardon, and also the lower end of 468, which is kind of starting to build our range. So if I had to take a guess where we're at the moment using this quite short-term trend line or local trend line, we're heading down to test it yet again at 884. Now, if we break this, there is a pretty high chance that we're going to head on back down to the lower range at 472, which is a massive 43% drop. So you could be on for a pretty awesome short there. But, you know, this is also kind of related to what the wider market is doing. Now we're listed on the bigger exchanges. Things like the movement of Bitcoin will probably start to have a bit of an impact on this. Now, with pretty bearish movement with Bitcoin at the moment, I think we can expect to see that this trend line will break, and we can also expect to see that Milady will also break as well. But what is quite nice is that once we get down here, it will be a fantastic opportunity to look at taking a long, which will give you a 265% upside. When should you be thinking about going long if we don't break this though? Well, we've got a pretty nice local resistance just here at 1097. So once we break that, maybe break above and retest, then it might be quite a nice little idea to look at a bit of a long heading on up. But I would be a bit conscious of when we start to reach this 1600 area. That's probably when you want to start taking profit. You know, I know that these coins can go absolutely parabolic overnight, but they can also dump to zero overnight as well. So be sure to lock in your profit if and when you can. What else are we looking at as well? Well, we do have a bearish signal that has flashed because we've broken down on this CVD trend line. However, inversely, we do have a descending CVD trend line right here, which we tested, got rejected from. So a nice indication, along with breaking this local resistance just here at whereabouts? About, let's say 1108. But try and line that up with breaking out of this CVD resistance trend line just here. The other side of it is if we end up going down into the oversold territory, then you kind of want to be looking for this support just here to come into play, potentially a bit of a divergence when we're in oversold territory, and also just for the icing on the cake, a breakout of this trend line. Then you can be looking at that big old walloping 200% plus move up, which could be potential. However, if we do start to look at losing this support, then that is a pretty key indicator. So I hope that has helped you get a bit of an idea and bearing on Milady Meme Coin or LADYS USDT. Of course, be safe as possible when trading meme coins because they are the most volatile assets possibly in the world, and they are predicated on such a thin veil of analysis, really, because it depends what Twitter fancies doing. Well, if you liked this, then please give us a like and a subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest content that we drop. If you absolutely love this content, then head on over to our website, blockpartytrading.com, where you can find out all the information about our premium services. And drop in the comments if you want any analysis or coins checking out.